Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video, and it is kind of early in the morning, but today we're doing a mod to the Ranger, and I'm quite excited about it. So like I said, we are doing the wheel spacers today, and we just removed these caps with the 3 Allen keys, and now we're gonna get the wheel off. And yes, these were pre-loosened, by the way. If they were this loose from the start, I'd be really worried. It's a big wheel. So now I'm just gonna get this, where is it? And use this to clean the surface here a little bit. In here is my 1.25 inch spacers with the adapters. So pretty much how this works is you put the factory studs in the holes, and then you use these nuts to tighten down the OEM, and then these are your new studs right here where the wheel will go. So they supply Loctite. I was told you don't need to, and besides I'm going to be retorquing these anyway, so I'm just going to go without the Loctite and just double check the torque in about 100 kilometers or so, which is 60 to 80 miles is the recommended. And I'm really excited to see how this will turn out, because if any of you have noticed, I know I had a comment a little while ago who noticed that the front wheels stick out further in the back. And yeah, from the back, the wheel kind of hides behind the mud flap and in the fender well, so I really wanted to change that and have the wheel stick out just like the front. Now, you should go in a star pattern. For whatever reason, I'm not doing that. So recommended is 120. I wonder if I'll even be able to lift this. After a long battle, I got the wheel on. We won't tighten. I had it on tighten already. So like I did last time, I'm just going to brush the hub a little bit. I'm not sure if it really makes a big difference, but just to put a spacer on a cleaner surface, or as clean as it could be, is always important. It should still be fairly clean though, because when they did the lift, I'm sure that they cleaned this up a little bit, or at least as best as they could. Before, we will stick the spacer and move the nuts onto the OEM studs. Put this mess all back together. does feel a bit more different. But can I see the wheels in the back, in the rear view? Oh, yep. And that wheel's not on right. That wheel's wobbling. That one looks okay though. Wonder why that is. Alright. Take it slow. Can't tell if that side's doing it too or not. This side is. Oh, shoot.
That body, baby, show me.